Hello and welcome to the Fulfill Point app tutorial series from KlinKode. With Fulfill Point, you can automatically choose which location will ship an order based on different conditions. In this video, we'll show you how to ship an order from a specific location using total quantity condition. Let's open the Fulfill Point app. Click the Create Rule button. Now enter a name for your rule. Here in the Applies To section, you'll see two options: All Products and Selected Products. If you choose All Products, this rule can apply to every product in your store whenever the rule conditions are met. If you choose Selected Products, you can decide exactly which products should be included in the rule. You can filter products using several options, including products, product tags, collections, SKU, and variant titles. If you select more than one filter, you'll see an additional setting called Items Must Match. Here you'll have two options: All Filters and Any Filter. If you choose All Filters, every filter must match for the product to be included in this rule. For this example, we will select Selected Products and set the collection's bare collection. Here in the Fulfillment section, you'll see two options: One Shared Location and Selected Locations. If you choose One Shared Location, all products matched by this rule will be fulfilled from a single location that you select. On the other hand, if you choose Selected Locations, you can select multiple fulfillment locations. When the rule matches, Fulfill Point will use the selected locations, and Shopify will fulfill the products based on inventory availability within those locations. For this example, we'll choose Selected Location and select the Chicago store. As you can see, 1,000 Black Bear products are currently available in the Chicago store. Now go to the rule page and scroll down to the condition section. Click on the Add a Condition button, then scroll through the list and select Total Quantity. Now you'll see two product selection options: All Products. If you select All Products, this rule will trigger when any product is in the cart from your store. Selected Products. If you select Selected Products, the rule will trigger only when at least one of the selected products is in the cart. After selecting this option, you need to decide how to filter the products by product tags, collections, or variant titles. Now we select Selected Products, and here we choose Collection and set collection bare collection. When the selected collections products are in the cart, this rule will be applied. For this example, we choose More Than and set 4. This means that if a customer orders more than 4 bare collection products, then the order will be shipped from the Chicago store. Now click the Save button to activate your rule. Let's test the rule. Go to your storefront and add the bear product to the cart. Here we add 5 Black Bear. Let's go to the checkout page. Now let's complete the order and see which store the product is shipped from. Now go to the inventory and have a look. As we can see, the product is being shipped from the Chicago store. That's it. This is how you can automatically fulfill specific products from a specific location based on the total quantity condition using Fulfill Point. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Fulfill Point app. Happy selling!